Hello everyone, I'm back with another video and I am Marissa Fashionista 101 and today I'm going to be doing a sewing video. Yay! I have not done these kind of videos in a while, so I'm really excited to get right back to it and excuse the background noises, my baby's speaking. So today I'm going to be doing a little challenge, which I'm going to be using my baby's old blanket to make something super cute. So it's this really cute like picnic style fabric, and it's actually fleece, so it's going to be pretty interesting to make something out of this. Okay, so this is the skirt that I got inspired by. I really like this front yoke here, and then the really cute buttons, and then obviously the skirt as a whole. But this is actually made by Free People, so I'm all about their stuff. So I'm not gonna copy exactly, but I'm definitely gonna try my best to kind of try to replicate it in a way that's a little different. But obviously I don't have enough fabric to play with the pleats, but that's okay. I just really like this top part, so let's go ahead and get this started. Also, I have to have my water. You gotta stay hydrated, especially that it's getting pretty warm, so okay, so I have this really stretchy skirt that I had from a long time ago, and it still fits me. So I'm gonna go ahead and copy the style, so let's get right into it. And by the way, this fabric is pretty stretchy, so I'm gonna go with the side that's the stretches. Wine break. Okay, so this is the skirt. So it came out really cute so far. So now I'm gonna go ahead and hem this part. Okay, so I'm done with the hem. Now I'm gonna add this really pretty lace and these really cute buttons right here. Okay, so now the skirt is done. I added the lace, added the cute white buttons, and then I also top stitched on top of the waistband to add a little more detail, and it looks way more finished. So I'm going to go ahead and try it on and show you. Okay, so this is the finishing result. I gotta say, this is one of my favorite things I ever made. It is so me, it's so like vintage, and it's just adorable, fits me like a glove, and I don't know, I just thought it was such a cute idea to just add this really cute lace. It's just the cutest thing for the spring. So what do you think?